Welcome to the Kinder Institute's Houston Community Data Connections, or HCDC program. The Kinder HCDC program seeks to facilitate the practical use of data by community leaders for decision-making and capacity building in Houston's disadvantaged communities. We offer a number of data-related resources, including an interactive data dashboard, data training, and data analysis and technical assistance. Let's explore the HCDC dashboard first. The Kinder HCDC dashboard is a robust online dashboard that provides multi-purpose community profiles with a wide array of neighborhood-level indicators highlighting disparities and other local issues. The Kinder HCDC dashboard offers a number of features, including the indicator map, the community profile tool, and the compare function. Let's take a look at the indicator map. I can select indicator map in the sidebar here. Once the map loads, I can see and hover over every neighborhood in Harris County. I'm interested in learning more about 3rd Ward. Once I click on 3rd Ward, I'll see the population indicator for that neighborhood. I can also select other indicators by using the drop-down menu or by typing an indicator into the search bar. I want to look at poverty. I can see % children in poverty or % persons in poverty. Once I select persons in poverty, I'll see that indicator for every neighborhood in Harris County, including 3rd Ward. Next, let's explore the Community Profile tool. You can navigate to this tool directly from the indicator map by clicking this link. You can also go to the Community Profile by using the sidebar. Once you're in the Community Profile tool, you can hover over the neighborhoods in Harris County like we did with the indicator map and select the community you would like to explore. This time, let's look at near North Side. You'll be brought to a community overview, which shows a few selected indicators with basic visualizations. You can also explore featured indicators or special neighborhood-specific datasets for particular neighborhoods in the dashboard. Note that in the Community Profile main page, you can use the scroll bar at the top to view all of the neighborhoods for which we currently offer featured indicators. Here, we have data about street and sidewalk safety in near North Side that was drawn from a collaborative effort between the Kinder Institute and various partnering organizations. Also in the Community Profile tool, you can view the full profile, which shows you all of the indicators for that neighborhood and shows how they stack up against numbers for Harris County and the City of Houston. And finally, you can view the Documentation tab, which defines each indicator, gives the data source from which that indicator was drawn, provides the year that indicator pertains to, and provides notes about each indicator. Now, let's take a look at the compare function. Once you click compare, you'll see that you can compare in 2 different ways. You can compare different time periods for the same community, or you can compare different communities. Let's start by comparing different time periods for the same community. You can hover over the map, use the drop-down menu, or type in a name of a neighborhood to select a community. I want to look at East Downtown. Once I select East Downtown, I can see how the neighborhood has changed or remained the same over time. You'll be brought to a table with 2 different time periods that show data for the same community. You can see data for 2010 and 2018 side by side and evaluate how they are similar to each other or how they diverge from each other. Now let's take a look at the Compare Communities function. Here, we select a neighborhood in the same ways as we did when we compared over time. I'd like to compare East Downtown with A-Leaf. And as with the last compare function, you'll be presented with a table, but this time you can see two different communities with the same indicators, which means we can compare these communities using the same datasets to see the differences or similarities between them. The Kinder HCDC team also supports other Kinder research teams and initiatives by disseminating research findings in various interactive formats. You can explore the Kinder Interactive Research Gallery via the Kinder Institute's main website. You can keep up with Kinder HCDC's latest data updates and offerings using the News section to the right on the dashboard homepage. Let's take a look at some of Kinder HCDC's other resources. In addition to the data dashboard, we offer a number of training resources, which can be found in the data training section of the site. The Data Digest is an important training resource that highlights various HCDC data in brief stories, visualizations, and infographics. By breaking down indicators into their component parts, the Data Digest provides a nuanced and accessible view of complex data in just a few short minutes. There are also other educational resources available, like data literacy training tools and curricula. The Kinder HCDC team is always available to answer your questions and receive your data-related requests. Under the Contact tab, you can submit general inquiries, and you can send us specific data or service requests by submitting a request form, which can be found here. Thank you for your interest in the Kinder HCDC program. We hope to connect with you soon.